Today we're going to be mounting a isolated power supply to the overhead guard with our Gamber-Johnson power supply clamp. To get started, we'll take the power supply clamp and get it ready by putting in 1/3 bolt through both the plates, put the nut on the back side as shown. Then on the other side, we'll put in just a single bolt for now. We'll take our power supply and put the feet away from the overhead bar to ensure the feet don't bend. And as we position into place, we can then drop the clamp over, turn so that the bolts are tied up against the power supply, line up the hardware, and then finger tighten the nuts. Once you have the nuts finger tightened onto the clamp, we'll take a 9/16 socket and further tighten into place.